Hello everybody, and today's Splatoon 2 Ranked. So, since at the time of recording, it's June 1st, our X rank has reset for our modes, which kind of wipes a bad rating that we got for Rainmaker, but wipes a good rating we got for Tower Control, so give and take. But Rainmaker was so bad, I'm kind of glad that this new leaf was turned right around this time. The month reset or whatever. So yeah, we're gonna be grinding for our Rainmaker rank again. Hopefully get higher than what we did last time, because I did not play well last time in Rainmaker. I changed my NZAP build a little bit. So before I was running the same shoes and glasses, but I was running this hoodie, with this special power up on it. For a while it did pretty well because the Penta missiles was actually paying a pretty good amount of territory, and I could lock on to Rainmaker and get some good like area control damage and stuff like that. But as I've gone up in the ratings, people have gotten better, and this is generally just a far inferior pick to quick respawn, some mobility, and some other utility abilities to help me get around the battlefield better. I think the quick respawn is important in case we get locked out. It gives me a chance, or more chances, to do more in the battle, even in a disadvantage. So I decided to run with that. Again, I usually play objective, like I usually run the Rainmaker myself, due to the nature of my build. I'm not like max everything like some builds are, but I found that having other utility abilities is really helpful when you can't get to objective, or you aren't the one always running it or whatever. So I tend not to put everything into my ability because there are other things that are useful to buff, like for example, quick respawn in case we get in disadvantage, or having a quick super jump to get back into the action faster. You know, bomb defense for a lot of reasons. I think I explained the utility of bomb defense in one of my earlier videos, if I recall. But essentially, it turns a lot of 2 shots into 3 shots. And that's really, really good. So let's do this. I don't really want to rush the battlefield right away. I kind of want to see what they do and let them make the first mistake. Although someone will probably be up here pretty soon. That was a bad Tenta missile, but... Oh crap, there's a way to run it over here? Is there a way to run it over there? I don't think there is. Alright, so I'm gonna run this. Alright. No, what? Dude, why wasn't anyone leading for me? There was a dude right beside me and he just didn't lead for me. What the heck? Guys, teamwork. It was a brush too. He could have led a long way. That was whack. I don't know what he was thinking. Crap, I just fell right into a trap. Yeah, we killed him, but yeah, I shouldn't have fallen down in the first place. Regardless, it doesn't look like they have much of a defense. So, oh, we have an E-leader? That's kind of whack. Hope the E-leader isn't running out of all things. I need to refamiliarize myself with how... Crap. Works. Oh my gosh, how am I alive? Ow. Just getting whatever kind of lead I can get. Yeah, my team's playing so far behind me. It's not bad, we have a lead, but they're definitely on the slow side. I thought that brush would be able to do more. Ah, crap, I didn't even see him. Crap. Well, we have an angle on them. As long as... yeah. Alright, he super jumped. Good. Well, he's dead. And he was probably the runner. That's not bad. This is a weird match. No one's really playing really aggressively. Like, I thought the Inzap, or not the Inzap, the Sploosh would, and the Brush would play a lot more aggressively than they are right now. Crap, that was bad. That was bad. I got greedy for that free kill because he wasn't looking in my direction. Yeah, they should be able to push it. Pretty considerably, too. Crap. Oh, we got him. I got him. I got him. I got him. Guys, get up there. Just don't let them grab it. Good. Good run. Top tier defense. Yeah, again, they're playing really defensively. Well, I was hoping my spread shots would take care of the Brush, but ultimately the Sploosh is more important. Is he gonna be able to climb up there? I'm a bit nervous about that. I don't think he is. Okay, he's gonna have to come around the center again. Where's he going? Oh crap, I'm dead! No! At least the autobomb harassed him. Crap. Good. Okay, I think that E-Leader's doing his job. At least from what I can tell. Where is it? Oh, it's underneath us. It can stay down there, honestly. Oh, how? Yo, what is... what is he doing? I'm just gonna Tintin Missile that. There we go. And he ran away. Cool. Well, that was a good win. I mean, I was the only one that I felt like was pushing. They got pretty close with that concerted effort, like in the middle of the match, but fortunately I was able to get behind and take him out. We definitely would not have been able to get the lead again, because no one on either side was pushing. It was weird. Good, that was good though. I think my kill ratio is probably 1-to-1, but I'll double check that. Hey, I take wins. I take any win I can get. Yeah, it was like 12-9. My KD. Not bad. To be honest, if it's a dead even battle, that's a decent ratio, because you're still getting more kills than deaths. But some of those deaths I probably could have gotten if I had just held my gun on them a little bit longer. Like I was hoping to get some RNG kills with some spread, but I didn't get some of those. Yeah, we got rickrolled. Please tell me he's playing Dynamo Roller. Like, okay, that would suck for this mode, but please tell me he's playing Dynamo Roller. And he only goes for rickrolls. Ooh, better yet, if it's a Japanese Carbon Roller, that would be epic. That would actually be epic. Because Carbon Roller should be pretty good for this mode. Oh, we didn't get him? Dang, we're gonna get rickrolled. He's playing Brush? Bro, that's not a rickroll. What are you talking about? You got freaking Dynamo Roller, and you're gonna play rickrolled? Anyway. Oh, actually, I like this map for, tower control. Rainmaker. There we go. Look at all those juicy missiles. Yeah, we're just gonna get that and run the exact other way. Bye! Crap. I wanted to kind of run up their gut, but I really couldn't. Oh, good. Good job. Good job. Push it. Crap. I gotta stay alive so that they can jump to me. Crap. Alright, I'm not gonna be able to push from over here. Hey, is that a reset? Yeah, that's a reset. Like, I was fairly certain I wasn't going to be able to push from over there, so I wanted to get a positional advantage. Alright. Okay, that's good. Crap. Yeah, the team's doing really well. I mean, they are doing really freaking well. Yeah, we're just kind of trading at this point. Sometimes it's just a grind. Okay, I want to get up where he is. Ah, crap, he died. Okay. Well, I think that push is dead. I probably should have super jumped, but honestly, I don't mind waiting to see where they go. We got him. Got him. Okay, look, they are all dead. We got a little bit more. Just a little bit more. Hey, whatever works. Dang, they are all playing from like the same position. Oh, this is going to be a bad super jump. Oh, I almost got there! I almost got there! I almost got there! I was in the animation! I was in the animation! Alright. We got this. Crap. Okay. Alright. That's fair. Ah, dang. Yeah, those dapples or dually squelchers are hanging on. Got it! Alright, we're good. We got that KO. Dang, we just seized the advantage super early and just never let up. That E-Leader and the dually squelchers really pulled their weight, because the dually squelchers had our front covered, and we could always super jump to the E-Leader if we needed to. That was excellent teamwork. Those dually squelchers carried, because they just got an upper position where they could constantly camp the defensive position behind the goal, and they just slayed everybody back there. We got some good slays early on in the match, especially on that Squiffer, who just played really unsafely. But dang, we got some good stuff. That was really solid. Dang, 2 victories in a row. I mean, we only need 2 more victories to beat our last victory total from the first Rainmaker video I did. What was our KD in that? Let me see if I can't get that real quick. 9-6. So we died a couple times on super jumps to try to push the Rainmaker, so I'm not actually. That was a good match. There were probably like 2 or 3 pointless deaths. That. Uh-oh. Someone's lagging. They had a DC? Nah. We're kind of screwed. Unless the Googlers are god tier. The Blobber's gonna be able to play defense on us hard. And everybody else is short range. Crap. Thank you, teammates. Alright, I'm gonna do what the guy in the last video did. There we go. Good enough. Okay. We're gonna play defense from on high. Ah, dang. Couldn't save him. Couldn't save him. Crap. I don't have the range to play up there, but that is a really good position. If I were playing, Dually Squelchers are just the perfect weapon to hit that hole. Like, honestly, they are. Okay. I need to get out of the gutter. Crap. He's gonna die pretty soon. He's in a... Oh, wow, they're... Okay, they slayed. Crap. Have to play some clutch defense. Okay. That slowed him down. Not an optimal play, but that allowed other teammates to hopefully catch up. I have no idea what the Googlers are doing. Oh, wait, they're taking a long route. Okay, that's fine. Can't let them turn to corner. If they turn to corner, we're screwed. Defensively, at least. Ah, dang, RNG kills. I didn't have the greatest accuracy, but, like, that was a pretty quick kill. RNGesus was on his side. I think quick respawn's starting to kick in. Well, now it won't. We're gonna have a hard time playing defense. Oh crap, they're gonna try to get us from the far left. Thank goodness someone stopped that. I didn't even realize there was like a ramp. We gotta reset that. That's a reset. We gotta close up our defense. They're gonna try to push right if they're smart. Yeah, here comes the blobber. Okay. Alright, well they're actually all turned left. Good, we got some extra slays. Wow, they are so hyper focused on left, it's not even funny. I think we're weak there. I need to get... There we go. Good enough. Alright. The blobber's gonna be on my tail! Okay, they popped it, that's fine. Oh, the snipe! Bro, that's tough luck. That is really tough luck. Alright. I am really glad that push on this far left got stopped. Because that would have been a very hard push to come back from. Where is he? Crap, he's behind me. Okay, we're good. This way. Nope, not this way. Ah, dang. He's dead. Crap. They converged on that really quickly. There were more of them over there than I thought there were. We're just gonna have to play good defense. Yeah. That was worth it. Maybe not. They could still get a push. We gotta respawn quick. I'm committing hard left. Crap. Okay, we got the auto bomb kill. No, they sniped someone else? Crap, there's only one of us up there playing defense. Where's he going? Oh, they killed him, thank goodness. Okay. That was looking rough. That was looking rough. Our defenses were stretched thin. I shouldn't have committed as early as I did, but I was afraid of them pushing hard and then me not being able to stop it because the rest of the team got ahead of them. Got a lot of kills, but we died a lot too. Most of those were trades. I seriously doubt my KD was that much more than 1-to-1. Look it up though. Oh, by the way, for those who don't know, I look up there's actually the Nintendo Online app that allows you to look up your previous matches and like your kills and stuff. So that's what I'm using to tell you all my actual KD ratio. That was 12-to-10. I am very surprised that we won that. I feel like the Blobber on their side did not do as much as he should have. He played way too aggressively. He should have played better defense. Because none of us had the range, and we had an Aerospray, or MG, or whatever the silver one is. Like, that was a bad team in terms of composition. Let me look. How did that Boblobber do? Boblobber, yeah, the Boblobber got 11 kills. 5 of those were assists, though, and he died 9 times. Their Inzap carried for them. Their Inzap had a 15-3 KD ratio. I feel bad for him. He slayed. He didn't slay me. Not really. He got a couple kills, but he slayed the rest of the team. Alright, we got a Nautilus. Okay, they have better defensive capabilities than we do. I really want Pentamissiles. Pentamissiles are going to be good for slow pushes. Crap. Oh, wow. Wait, what does that mean? That must mean like top 100 or something. I had him outflanked, but I spent way too long. Interesting. Oh, crap. Crap. I was way too hasty on that. That heavy splatling is going to be a problem. I'm going to have to hope that they have things covered. You know, they really aren't pushing over there, so I'm actually not going to worry about it that much. I bet he super jumped back to base. Where are those clear dapples? Yeah, I thought so. Yep. Aha! We got the Tentamissile trap. Okay, neither side has made a really strong push yet. I mean, they've gotten over the bridge. Or effectively gotten over the bridge. Crap. Come on, RNGesus, give me a kill. Crap, he came up! Dang, man, I got outflanked. They 2v1 me. Ah, crap. This is bad. This is really bad. That's bad. Blobber. Dude, you need to reset it. You are way too far back. Dude, you need to reset that crap. This is a hard reset if I get it. There. Okay. I don't know what he was thinking with trying to push left. There was no opportunity there. Yeah, see, this is what good defensive play looks like. A good defense is a good offense. Or whatever the expression is. Crap, the blobber's up there. Can't do anything about him being up there. Crap, I didn't mean to fall. Oh, I forgot. The special power-up also made my... Thank you for sticking that splash wall up. Alright, push. Crap. Okay, that's an offensive position we can hold. I got it behind the block. Like, we can get there. It's a disadvantage, but we can definitely get there. Crap, the blobber! Ah! Someone's gonna have to, like, get behind... Yo, what is that flash doing? Oh, someone reset it? Crap, why did someone reset it? We could have pushed that. I bet it was one of them. If it was on their team that reset it, that was a good plan. Crap. Crap. There wasn't much to do there. Yeah, this is looking like an L. Our team's been spread out the whole time, and I have no idea what the Splash-O-Matic is doing. If it was our team that reset from that defensive position earlier, I have no idea why they did. Alright, Alright. Crap, he got the better angle. Thank you, I was out of ink. Wow! Wow. Dang. I didn't do any of that. I ran out of ink. They got him. They actually got him. Wow. Alright, GG's. GG's. Wait, how was the Splash-O-Matic doing that much? He was like off in La La Land half the time. He must have... I don't know. Whatever. Whatever. Win's a win. Win's a win. I know my KD ratio was bad there. I knew it was bad there. Let's see what it was though. It was 9-8, so it's still 1-1-ish. How did the rest of... Okay, the Nautilus Slate, he had an 18-8 ratio. But Blobber was the one who kind of was being slow, actually. He had a 7-8, that was less than 1-1. Ooh, we got a Hydra. Let's go. Ooh, but they got an E-Leader. Ooh, this is going to be tight. If this is going to be, like... I would rather have a Hydra than an E-Leader. Because Hydras are much better able to keep area control. Alright. There we go. You are around here. Yo, where? Crap! I was one hit away from killing him, too. Okay, he didn't get very far. Alright, we're just gonna jump to him and hope that the push goes well. He playing that. Alright. Good job. The double slosh. Oh, he's gonna push hard. They're gonna get outflanked. I don't think that... Yeah, that wasn't worth diving into. They're gonna get outflanked. Better for us to try to play some defense. Oh. Some Tenta missiles off on him. Oh, we got a double Tenta kill. Let's go. That was sick. Where is he? He's over there. Yeah, the Hydra's going to be able to keep him on lockdown until I can get over there. There we go. Ha! The Autobomb got him. Alright. Take this and run. Ah, dang. Dang. Why do you... Yo, why do you jump back to start? It didn't reset it. Yo, just any point lead is a good lead. Any point lead is a good lead. 39 is a good lead. That was worth it. Driving it up their gut. That dagger just twisted a little. You know he's coming over. Ah, nice. Oh crap! Who hit me? Oh, the E-Leader. Good job. I mean, I guess it was a predictable kill considering that we could have just come around the side like we did, but good kill. Whoa, I thought he was my teammate. Jesus. What was that? Okay, we just... I feel like they're gonna be getting a... Well, it's only their E-liter that's around. Alright. I kinda wanna wait. But I'm not, because I'm greedy. Alright. He's gonna hit me. Crap. Thank you. We don't really need it to do anything is the problem. Crap. See, them picking it up was actually better than us picking it up in that scenario. Because they would have killed us for it. We really don't need to pick it up. We just need to keep it reset here. I'll pick it up if it starts... Crap. You know, I probably shouldn't have sat out where I was. The reset's not a good thing. Keeping it in their territory while maintaining our presence there was definitely the best defensive play we could have come up with. Yeah. Oh. Take him, E-liter. He's had my number this match. He's like sniped me so much. I'm also just not being aware of him because he's not an actual pushing force, so like, to be honest, he doesn't really matter that much to me. Crap. Thank goodness. Got him. Yeah, that E-liter doesn't matter a whole lot to me. Because he can't... Like, see, that's why I'd rather have the Hydra every time, because Hydras can actually push because of their sheer fire rate and damage output and spread that they can actually have. Like, they have offensive capabilities, like the one in this match I'm pretty sure did. But an E-liter is great for defense, but they can't do jack on offense. So, cool. Let's see. So, RKD there was 11-9. Yeah, the Hydra had a 10-8. Meanwhile, their E-liter, their E-liter had a good KD ratio. His KD was 7-2. He only died twice, so he was actually pretty good. Their Kenta dualies sucked. They had a 5-9. It's pretty terrible. So, if those dualies had been able to slay, we would have been in a lot more trouble. But, I mean, I outranged them, the Brilla kind of walled them, and the Hydra kind of walled them. The only chance they would have had would have been against the Tetris. So, without the offensive capabilities of like a Hydra or some other long-range weapon, those dualies didn't really stand a chance because no one, like the Clash Blaster, the Slosher did a good job, but just doesn't quite have the range to challenge us like that. Let's get, oh crap, they have an E-liter. I'll just have to be mindful of that. I mean, have fun. Crap. I kind of thought I had better team support than that, but I guess I should have been keeping track of who was played. Okay, cool. Autobomb. Cool. Aw, what? There was a suction bomb there. Bro. I didn't see that at all. Oh, he probably threw it at the bubble. Good on him. Whoa, how did... That was a route. That was a big route. Yo, that was... I need to try that when I get up there. Alright. They're not going to be able to get back up here. Not with the current... Yeah. They can't get up here. Alright. I'll push it. Oh, okay. You got it. That. Ah! Excuse me. Crap, they're gonna be able to push that. This ain't good, this ain't good, this ain't good, this ain't good. Ugh. Zap. Woo! That was good. Alright. Okay, their E-Leader is a lot more aggressive than the last one. We're also letting him be more aggressive. Crap. Yeah, our team isn't really slaying. They have 2 Inzaps. We have a Jet Squelcher? Ew. Probably part of the issue. Why was he going backwards of all things? Alright, guys. Crap, I couldn't get my shot off. Alright, we got it across the bridge, though. If that E-Leader stays out of our way, we're... Crap! E-Leader set up. They reset. Crap, I'm dead. How am I not dead? Alright, good job. Good job. Crap! No one stopped them. Okay, they should be able to push that, though. Yeah, we got a lead, boys! Let's go. I have your flank. No, we had a DC? Crap! We had a DC. Crap, we have to defend. We have to defend hard. Oh crap, we had a DC. And it was so late in the match, I don't know if it's going to count as a draw or not. Alright, we just got to defend for a minute. Okay, we can defend this. And none of them are behind us, I believe, so... I need Tinta missiles. We don't have to do anything. They're the ones who have to do stuff. Tinta missiles ought to help. I don't need to push. Crap! Dang, man. And one there's the... Go heavy, go! Go heavy, go! Go heavy, go! Get him heavy! No! He died! Crap! They're being patient. All we have to do is get a snipe on that. They lost it! Yes! They lost it! That heavy carried for us. That heavy absolutely carried for us. Oh my gosh. Yo, I can't believe that Kenta splatter shot DC'd in like the last minute and a half. That was whack. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that heavy carried. Heavy splatlings and Hydra splatlings are so good because of the control that they have. They can sustain pushes for such a long time. It's not even funny. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I was 10 to 10. Yeah, the Hydro or the Heavy was 14 to 6. Like his ratio was ooh, oh, that Jet Sculpture was 13 to 3. Dang, they played so well. The splatter shot was pretty terrible. I basically just serve as a carrier, which is fine. Oh, crap. Frick, no! I had to do something. I had to do something. Because, like, overtime only lasts for 20 seconds after the main game. It was getting pretty close to that, so I had to just try something. Crap. Dang, man. Oh, I did awful. I got slayed bad. Alright, only 2 more matches? 3 more matches? Do we get a rating? I'm gonna go right. No one else does. Oh, crap. Hey! He's dead, that's all that matters. Nice outflanking. You pushed in the wrong direction, my friend. Wait, oh, nice. Tinted missile kill. Alright, that works. That works. We'll take a 17 lead. That works. Alright, and we still have a good presence there. Albeit at a disadvantage. Yeah, we don't have a presence. That push is dead. Alright. Good job on him for retreating. I should have super jumped to him. Yo, his aim is bad. Yo, I say that and then I get killed. He was definitely just grinding it out for the 2-hit KO. Alright, they reset. That's predictable. Haha, yes. Okay, where are those suction bombs coming from? Right here. You're definitely around here. Okay. Yeah. Well, no one's really making progress right now, so I'll take the time to build up some tinted missiles. Yeah. I kind of just want to wait and see what they do. Oh. Ah, I got him. That's satisfying. Alright, we're gonna push this way. Let the team get in front. Crap! Man, he ran right into me. Bro, how did... Ha! He got bounced off the map. Okay, good. Oh, crappy. There's one up there. Crap. Couldn't get up. Honestly, wasting time up there isn't a bad idea. I feel like that alley should be a lot better for pushing than it is. Like, I recognize that it's really close to base, but dang, it's such a short path. Oh, he didn't even see me. Yeah, they're just spending all their time resetting the Rainmaker. Which is good for defense, but that just means that they're putting it back in our hands, essentially. Resetting is generally a really good move. Crap. I just had to tinted missiles. It's generally a pretty good move if both teams are wiped. Like, that's what you should do. Or if they are all deep in your territory, or everybody's wiped, wiping is a good move. But if even a couple of them are hanging back, it's generally not as great of a move because they can... Crap. Because they can just pick it up. You're putting it right back into their hands if some of them are hanging back near the center. Yeah, I gotta admit, I don't really know what's going on right now. That might be it, Nikota. It's fine. It's fine. All we have to do is stop a push. I feel like someone's gonna attack me from this side. Yeah, there comes some up. Yep, there he is. Good. Got him. Yo, I got directed? Dang. Well, we slowed down the push enough. Yeah, they lost. Alright. Not that great of a game on our part, but, yeah, because we got slayed by that Splattershot Pro a couple more times than I'm proud to admit. But let's see what our KD was anyway. 7 to 8. Yeah, not great. Never mind. Oh, we had a Kensa Splattershot on our side that, had the little ranked crown or whatever by it. I don't know what that means still. But he had a 15 to 7. And our Explosher had an 11 to 3. So we kind of got carried. It's fine though. Anchovy Games. Alright. Kind of would have preferred the other map for wrapping this up, but that's good. Okay. Oh, we got the same Hydra. With the same Alright. We're gonna carry the team. Gotta make up for the last few games. Gotta carry this team. I just died right off the bat. And there's on their team. Yo, that is... that is some high sensitivity motion play right there. Holy crap. Those are skills that I just simply do not have. I mean, I'm not a bad charger, but... Alright, let's make a slow push up here. Alright, never mind. Fast and Furious it is. Ah! Hey! Hey! We're carrying, folks. We gotta carry for the team. Oh crap, he died. I'm screwed. Crap. That L3 is really good. In this mode, I have good instincts for running the objective and when to switch back to defense or whatever. No! That gum! They just got the knockout. Oh my gosh. Yeah, we're definitely trimming out some of these losses. Crap. Oh well. What's our rating? Let's just see what the rating is. Dang. 159. Alright, that's fair. That's a lot better than our last one that we got, which was 2098 was our high. I feel like it should be higher since we only lost the last 3, but that was a pretty gruesome knockout right there. Alright, let's wrap this thing up. Because I don't think it's going to be getting any better after this. Alright, so. That's going to wrap it up for this Splatoon 2 ranked video. Did pretty well in the first half of this video, not so much in the second. So, yeah, I'll be trying to do more of these ranked videos in the future. I think one a week is a good pace. Or that's about what I'll be available for. So anyway, thanks so much for watching this, and be sure to check in live for other content, including Splatoon, Smash, and Mario Maker. We have a ton of fun on stream, and I take viewer ideas and levels and stuff, and I meme around with characters all the time. We have a fun time. We talk about all sorts of stuff. Come join us. Also, be sure to join our Discord to keep in touch with the community and all that. Anyway, thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Rock 2000. Signing off.